Hello YouTubians and fellow hobbyists! I hope you had a fantastic week. Welcome to another Saturday morning show. I'm really excited about this Saturday morning show because, first of all, we finished our rusty Wasp. It came out really gorgeous. I like it a lot. And we have a challenge that is sent out from Mrs. B. Cheese, but more of that later in the show. First, as always, the riddle! How many Ford Model T are still around in 2018? About 1%, about 10%, or about 15%? The answer is always the end of the show. This week in the garage, we finished our rusty Wasp. Though this build had everything that I like on a build. It has a crazy idea with unusual solutions to it and had a lot of scratch building. But see for yourself, the rusty Wasp. Here in the garage we mounted the seats and then took care on the wheels. Let us scratch build a radiator. Now some detailing. And now enjoy the finished build. Oh yes, what a nice build. But now, back to the studio. This week, I want to talk about, in the topic of the week, a challenge that Mrs. Beachy from Beachy's Model Workshop put out. She asked, which model kits would you save in case of an emergency? But not so fast. That hook on the challenge is you're only allowed to save 5 kits. Well, I did it. So, Mrs. Beachy, I saved these 5 kits. First of all, this European car, because I have some crazy idea, maybe make a hot rod or something out of that. So I'm gonna save this. It's actually spelled Styrene 2CV, so it's a French car. It's a little bit unusual. I don't know if you have it over there in the States. It's kind of cool. So, yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Can you please say that in English and slower?
Okay, should we do a new one?
No, just
Okay.
repeat the name of the car.
It's, I don't know how you say it in English. It's Styrene.
A Citroen.
Yeah, it's a Citroen.
Okay. Now,
2CV.
there you go.
Okay.
Oh.
We call it the duck, the ente, the duck. So this one, then I would save a Hemi Cuda, a nice one. You need a muscle car. Of course, I wanted to have a tank as well, the M48. Nice tank. I built one before and it was really fantastic. I want to do another one. So I would say that, and of course you need at least like one Ford. So you can, and this is a really nice kit. You have 3-in-1. Loved it. It's fantastic. And I would save that one. It has 4 engines in it and gonna be a cool build too. But that was my thing. Thanks to Mrs. Beachy to send out that challenge. It was fun to kind of, challenge yourself. Where is actually my strong part? What would I save? It's good to think about it. What is important to me? So, but now, figure out the answer to today's riddle. The Model T was very successful, and 50 million vehicles were built in the late 20s of the last century. And it's crazy that even today some of them are around. Actually quite a few, but how many? See in the riddle. Another Saturday morning show comes to an end. We hope you had a little fun with us. Stay inspired. Keep on building those fantastic models out there. And now, love and friendship. Something you can't buy. Respect all people.
All people.
Keep that hobby
Alive.
See you next Saturday.
Bye for now, y'all.
Yeah, bye for now, y'all. What are you doing? You're just teasing me. What?
No, I was just looking at the thing and I'm like, oh, where do I find the seconds? Oh shit, okay. Now I found it, I found
You
it.
good now?
Eh,
We good?
eh.
Okay.
We good. Take two.
Ma 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 ma. Okay.
Don't forget to do your nose.
I think I'm clean now. Okay.
Oh my God. All right, here we go.
Okay. Now I forgot what I had to say. Okay, no, keep on. I got it.